All right, so it's 2026. Let's start a garden. All right, so let's do a run through of what we have currently. We have some lovely pumpkins right here. Around here we have small little dragon fruit. Right here we have some lovely callaloo. Planted some scallions as well. Here I have a coconut. This needs to be planted in the earth, but this is a young coconut. And this is a pepper tree. I think it has some fungus on it though. I think it has some fungus on it. So right here we have some turmeric. I think I have a video when I was reaping some turmeric, so I'll definitely insert that video right here. It seems like we're going to get a lot of turmeric this time. I think there's a lot in it. So I'm just going to sift through and see how much I get. Afterwards I'll wash it off. But I'll definitely just sift through the sun, see what I get. This is a container that I planted in, so I just turned it over. Right here we have some ginger. Ginger, as you know, is just like the turmeric. Whenever it's reaping time, I will just turn over this growing bag and we'll get some ginger. But it's not ready as yet. I think I have about few months leave. Ginger and turmeric normally takes about 9 months to be fully ready. Yeah. Here I have some jackfruit. So these are trees. Some young jackfruit right here, really lovely. So it's coming on well, planted from seed. Here I have a pepper tree, but some form of disease is affecting the pepper tree, but I do have some peppers on it. Yeah, I already reaped from this pepper tree. It's really lovely. And here is a young one. There's some small little blossom right there. This is a little young pumpkin tree as well. This is a small baby spinach. Planted this about a week ago. Have some mature spinach. I'll definitely show you that. Alright, so here is a bundle of spinach. Lots of spinach here. So normally we would just pick it off, cut it up, put it in a vegetable or salad or anything. Yeah, so like I said, we're going to definitely start up the garden in 2026. We're going to do a lot of planting, plant from seed. Some suckers that we have, we're going to do some transplanting as well. So just a scan of what we have here. We're also going to have some layer chicken. I think I have about 3 chickens to come. So over this section, building a coop for the layer birds. Yeah, so I started. We definitely put on a roof on top. You guys will definitely see it. So this is how it's coming on so far. Have some fruit tree over here in the pot. This is a breadfruit tree. And I have a mango tree and another breadfruit tree. These need to be transplanted in the earth, but for now I just have them in the pot. So this section will definitely be the chicken coop area. Right here I have a little bit of flowers, and I set up this lovely cover seat where we can just sit down and just look at the garden. So I have some pots here We're going to definitely fill these with some soils and plant some stuff in it. So you guys will definitely see that. Right here I have some palm tree that I plant from seeds, and they're actually coming good. So I'll definitely show you how you plant palm tree from seed. Palm tree from the seed though, it takes about 4 months before it reaches this stage. And I have a 5-gallon bucket with a Julie mango tree. It's actually blossoming now. It's a lovely tree. It's a really small tree, but it's blossoming in a 5-gallon bucket right here. So this is the flowers garden. Some palm trees. So I actually plant these palm trees from seed, and they're kind of mature. Put in the pot so you know it's not going to get bigger than this. So this is the flowers section. Really lovely. So I have this avocado tree in a 5-gallon drum. It's really big. It hasn't bear as yet. I don't know if this season it will definitely bear. So it's in a 5-gallon drum, as you can see there. So I'm just showing you guys the fruit trees that I have. And I do have some banana trees. This one, it's bearing some banana. Really lovely. Alright, so I'll be sowing some seed. I have a tree about 25, so this is about 25, so I'm going to plant 1 row. I have some okra, 1 row of pak chow, and 1 row of sweet pepper, and 1 row broccoli. So we're going to get the potted soil and sow those seeds. But I have 2 tomatoes that we're going to transplant, and I have a cucumber vine that we're going to transplant as well. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to get the potted soil. So here we get the potted soil. We're going to get a shovel. Alright, so we're going to mix up the mulch that we have. Just move that bag out the way. So this dirt is to go in these 3 pots, and we're going to plant the tomatoes. Also in the side we're going to definitely add some fertilizer as well. So the soil will have a good rich balance. this fertilizer is a 14, 28 and 14 blend. Add some more fertilizer. You just want the soil to have all the nutrients that it needs. So you don't really have to add much in the plant, because the soil would already have enough nutrients. Alright. So we'll let this stay right here. Alright, so we're gonna fill the trays to plant the seeds. Alright, so let's start with the pop throw. These are really small seeds. stop recording. Alright. So that will stay there. Tomorrow morning we will give it some water.